Mata yatha niyam puttang ayusa eka putta man rakhe. Evam pi sabba bhutesu manasang bhavaye aparimana. In Buddhism we have 5 precepts, 10 precepts, 8 precepts, and many precepts are there. All of them start with loving kindness. Do not hurt others. Do not hate others. Do not use harsh words to hurt others. Without Sīla, you can't have any samadhi. It is difficult to have samadhi without Sīla. Sīla is the precondition, requirement. Manussanam piyo hoti, amanussanam piyo. And when you practice loving kindness, you will also be followed by some good angels. When somebody is more comfortable than you, more better off than you, someone who is stronger physically, mentally, someone who is wealthier, and someone who is more educated, someone who is better looking, someone who is more better placed in the society. People, when they want to do some bad things, they also take drinks and drugs. Especially drugs can be disastrous today. If you are a good practitioner of loving kindness, you can send loving kindness to people who are sick. You can think of those people who are sick in the world, who are suffering in the world. You can send loving kindness.